In this video, we'll walk you through how to update the firmware on your MD50 or MD150 photometer using the Lovibond Data Expert software. Follow these simple steps to ensure your device is running the latest firmware. Start by downloading and installing the Lovibond Data Expert software. You can find it in the download section for the MD50 or MD150 photometers on our website. Next, download the latest firmware file from our website and save it to your desktop or another easy-to-find location on your computer. Open the Lovibond Data Expert software. Using the USB cable included with your instrument, connect your MD50 or MD150 photometer to your computer. Turn on the instrument. The software will automatically detect the device and select the correct COM port. Press Connect to connect the instrument with the software. In the software, select Update Device, then choose the Update Firmware option. Browse your computer and select the firmware file you downloaded earlier. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the update. The instrument will automatically switch off during the process. Turn the instrument back on when prompted and continue following the instructions in the software. Once the update is successful, the instrument will shut down automatically. Close the Lovibond Data Expert software and restart the instrument. When the instrument starts up again, the new firmware version will be displayed on the startup screen, confirming the update is complete. Your MD50 or MD150 photometer is now updated and ready to use. For more support or downloads, visit our website or contact our support team.